Northland. As you can see, we're at a car show. 4th of July celebration in Delano, Minnesota. We'll video some of these cars here in a little bit, but there are quite a few here. Mayhem with the judge. Hot 350. Excuse me. That's a pretty color. Nice and clean.
Mom's first car was a Mustang.
Oh, yeah.
They were known
Very
for
pretty.
the windows falling down and breaking. For some reason. No, the actual
Yeah,
oh yeah.
that is so
Yeah.
nuts.
Yeah, it's a pretty color.
Had that car since 1974.
That's nice. Here's my favorite windshields that open up. One next to it's pretty cool too. 1929. I don't know if this is gonna show up on camera. This is a very deep metallic purple. I'm hoping it shows up. This is just gorgeous. Beautiful color. Yeah. A lot of love and attention put into this. Very nice. Sure is good to see these oldies still around. Here, I don't know if you guys recall the last car show, the June 4 all Ford powered car show. I was talking about a Bronco I used to own. This is the exact body style Bronco, same year, that I used to have. So sorry I got rid of that one. Wished I still had it. Hopefully this is turning up. This is a lot of chrome in here. Beautiful. Another very pretty, unique color. I love it. Gorgeous. Nice. Very nice. Love them wing windows too. Gorgeous. Nice radio antenna. This is a rare bird. All right, for your older people like myself, I don't know if you remember the Smokey and the Bandit and the Dukes of Hazzard. Oh, that's cool. See them both parked next to each other is even better. The car show was a big success, but before I get into that, I want to thank a couple of people for subscribing and joining the family. And I may screw this up, Wangan Ronan. If that's not pronounced correctly, please correct me. And Ethan Stuckel, thank you for joining, and I hope you will find some of this either informative, entertaining, maybe a little of both, or just goofy. Anyway, we took third. Third in the hot rod division. So the judge came through. I don't know if it was mayhem that helped. I did have some patriotic patterns going on the headlights and the underglow and stuff. I don't know if that had anything to do with anything or not. We didn't win Best Patriotic, Judge's Choice, Fan Choice, whatever. Anyway, I'm happy with what we got. And if you are one of the ones that was at the car show and stopped by and say hi, thank you. Thank you for joining. If you didn't stop by and say hi, make sure you stop by and say hi next time. I enjoyed, we interacted with several people. The kids all loved Mayhem and the car, so that was kind of cool. Like seeing smiles on the kids' faces. So make sure you smash that like and subscribe, even if you did not like the video. Hit that like button with whatever you have handy. I'd really appreciate it. Make sure you tap the little bell at the bottom. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Share it with anybody you think may be of interest. And even if they're not interested, share it anyway. So, we do have a couple of other things planned coming up. So stay tuned for those. And then we'll have another track day probably by the end of July, maybe. And we'll see if we can't better those times from the last time we were there. So, all right. I'll stop rambling. I'll let you go. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.